Hi guys, IT engineers are the most preferred engineers for MBA. Yeah, almost 33% of all the MBAs at various B schools are IT engineers. So to prove that point, I've taken an example of few colleges. So this is a 2020 batch for IIM Amritsar. 34% of the students were IT engineer. IT engineer 34%. Yep. Then I took an example of IIM Calcutta. At IIM Calcutta, IT engineers, ITES engineers, 41%. Though this is IT and ITES, though I assume there might be a few back office people as well. So if I remove them, so again 30, 33, 34% will be engineers. Then I took the report of MDI. And at MDI also, IT and ITS is 34%. BFSI banking experience 7%, 24% with marketing e-commerce, engineering construction manufacturing 17%, consulting analytics 18%. So again IT engineer the rock. So this is where I rest my case that most preferred are IT engineers. And why IT engineers including me, why not IT engineers but IT people with work in IT, Accenture, Wipro, TCS, consulting, all these companies. So why they are preferred? Because we are not happy with the job. Trust me, I don't know about you, but this was the most important reason for me going for MBA, was that I was not happy with my IT job and I wanted a change, which helped me to prepare more. See, if you're happy with your job, obviously not going to come for MBA. Those are on site, obviously very few people want to study if you're on site. But those are not happy. And especially IT company, I consider IT company to be like a golden handcuffs. Golden handcuff matlab they are giving you enough salary to retain you, not giving you enough salary that you become complacent, but giving you enough salary as compared to the other areas of engineering so that you are happy there. Kaanch ki building, air conditioned office, so obviously that's kind of a jail. Yeah. One day I was roaming around in one of the BKC IT company, BKC, beautiful infrastructure. Yeah, that was their sales office, beautiful infrastructure. But then I realized, yeah, if I want to make a jail, and if I make a jail that beautiful, people will love to come to jail. Yeah. So I consider IT company as a jail. It's not like MB karke you will be able to break the jail, but you will be at least getting enough salary, paid enough salary to do this thing. Now, average income of a IT engineer today is around 35,000. Yeah. After MBA, this average salary will jump to 1 lakh. 3 times at least increase. This is the underestimate I'm taking about. So 1 lakh is the average package. So 3 to 4 times jump you can easily expect after MBA. Yeah, there are a lot of people who say, why I need to do my MBA? But this is the most important thing. A, salary, B, profile. I always looked at what my senior were doing 5 years down the line. My senior who was the assistant manager, if this is the role I want to do in my life, sorry, I can't do this all my life. So that was my way of quitting. So I quit my IT job. I was not happy with the thing. So I'll give one incident what happened. I don't know now. Obviously, the IT companies are much more mature. The processes are much more advanced. At my time, we were working on a website where you have to enter your mobile number, press submit, and SMS will come to you with the OTP. Yeah, now today is a very common thing. It's almost inbuilt. Widgets are already there, or they already have created the automated system to do that. But 8 years ago, this was a new thing. 8 to 10 years ago, this was a fairly new thing. So I try to see the bigger picture, that why we are doing this thing, why this is happening, why I want to do my MBA, why. So then I talk to my boss, sir, this is good, we are working on this, but why which project is this? This web page is going to go for which? For an automobile company, for a bank, for a hospital. So my boss, I asked this to my boss ka boss. You know what he replied? I have no idea. This email came from US and we are working on that. अभी client ने mail किया तो भैया people in India go mad. I don't know what happened. The TL especially, the team leader feel the orgasmic when they get a mail from orgasmic feeling when they get a mail from a client. Yeah. So anyway, this happened, and even I was very much. I don't know about you, but I had a very bad time with my my team lead. I used to drink with my team lead. Yeah, but the moment I came to know about that I want to do my MBA, he screwed my life. I could have got a paid leave. I had enough holiday leaves as well with me. Plus my rapport with him was good, so I could have got paid leaves as well to prepare for MBA. But he made my life hell. I had to resign. So that's my first advice to all the IT engineers. Do not tell your boss that you are going for MBA. Give any other excuse. मम्मी बीमार है, चाची बीमार है, आंटी बीमार है, किसी को बीमार कर दो, चलेगा. If you tell them, even though यार मेरे साथ दारू पीता था वो, खैर मैं तो पीता नहीं हूँ, you know all these things, but वो पीता था साथ बैठ के मेरे. तो what I'm trying to say is कि this is, don't tell anybody that you are going for MBA. Indian society is a cockroach approach या spider approach या tortoise approach, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, crab approach. If one crab tried to climb, other will try to pull him down. Fine. So try to avoid that. Give any other excuse, not MBA excuse. Because most probably your boss might have also tried to do MBA. Trust me, on CAT day in IT companies, a whole floor is absent. Whole floor is on off. कहाँ जा रहे हैं सब लोग? बीमार है सब लोग, किसी का पेट दर्द, किसी का ये, सब साला CAT का एग्जाम दे रहा है. Fine. And while giving the CAT exam, if you ask them, talk to them, I only want to go to main IIMs. I'm trying for last 2 years. I only want to go for main IIMs. Only I'm Ahmedabad. अबे साले तू पढ़ेगा तब तो तू जाएगा ना. How much effort you try to put? Zero. Just give the exam. Fine. So this year, if you're planning to do your MBA, make sure that you put enough effort. That's my pointer number 2. Put more efforts. Yeah. Otherwise, it make no sense, because you are getting enough salary. You are getting enough 35,000 salary within 2 to 3 years. Obviously, will cross 50,000. Yeah. So there's no excuse, no valid reason to go to a band D, band E, band F college. Your target have to be band A or band B. This is the problem you have. Trust me. You can't go to average college. A BCom grad, a fresher, can obviously go to a Faltu college, can join a band E college also, where average salary is 35,000. Because for a BCom grad, 12,000 to 35,000 is a big jump. But for us, we need a minimum 1 lakh a salary in hand. I'm not talking about CTC. I'm talking in hand to survive, to justify my investment of 1 year of preparation and 2 years of MBA. Okay. A lot of people also talk about that they want to go for a this thing. They will come back to the job. What is called here? When you want to come back to job after MBA, you will come back to job. So like a leave, steady leave, something like that. So I don't recommend that. We are going for MBA because I hate IT companies. And again, you want to come back to IT, then why going for MBA? Yep. Second thing is, they will like to retain you, but will not pay you the market rate ka pack. So please beware of that. And remember that IT companies on campuses, all the IIMs, SPJ, everywhere, are the lowest paying companies. So why you want to come back to IT after MBA? Yeah, I would like to go for bank, unless you want to go on site, or unless you are hell bent on कि नहीं मेरा जीना मना सब IT के साथ है. Yes, then you can come back to IT. Otherwise, I would like to avoid it. Yeah. Pointer number 4 is when to study. Now, working hours, obviously, we are giving a prime time to job. Those who have taken the gap year, you are sitting at home, obviously studying and all, so makes sense for you. Studying is okay, but those who are working, it's a problem. So when to study? There are two, three examples I would like to give. One of the students earlier, 2-3 years ago earlier, who wonderfully implemented that and got through an IIM as well. He was working in Accenture, Bangalore, and used to reach office at 6 or 7 a.m. 7 to 9:30, sir, I am able to study on my office desk. If I try to study at 6 to 9 a.m., I can't study at home because I will feel sleepy. And 9 o'clock, if I leave for office, is too much crowd, and Bangalore is famous for too much crowd on the roads, traffic and all. So he reached office at 6 a.m. Yeah, वो bike पे आता था या public transport पे आता था, I don't know that part. 6 a.m. if you reach office, no traffic, you are reaching sound easily. 6 to 9 a.m. non-stop study on your desk. There is no disturbance. I used to study, I used to give a mock, I used to do online things. Obviously, you can't open up a book depending on your environment at work, but that is one activity people can do. Or B, study at home. Getting up early in the morning is the best thing you can do for all the IT engineers. Number one. Number two is study at the night, which we normally do. This is what I used to do after my work. 9 p.m. to 12 night, this used to be my study time. But at this time, it's very difficult to innovate and find shortcuts. For example, 9 to 11 p.m. I used to study maths because being an engineer, I like maths. Then 11 to 12, I used to do verbal. Target was to do 11 to 1, but by 12, I used to be dozed off because verbal is boring. So if you want to do that in the night, do ulta. In the prime time, 9 to 11 p.m., which is the prime time, study weak area, study verbal. Then 11 p.m. you can easily continue up to 1 and 2 also with quant, because quant you enjoy to study. So make a timetable in such a way that your best time you are doing the weak area. Yeah, for example, I love to study at night, so do verbal. I hate to study in the morning, do quant. Yeah, whichever you want to plan it, you can plan it out. So getting up early in the morning, reaching office early, that is one strategy. Study home in the early morning, go to office, that is second strategy. Or at night you can do. Lot of students, they also do in the evening. For example, evening 6 p.m. office hours are done, 6 or 7 p.m. Then 6 to 9 p.m. he used to study in the office. You can study in the office, then go home. Yeah, but 9 p.m. is normally late for girls, so that you have to decide how you handle that. So at home, office. मुझे दिन का 2 to 3 hours are needed if you want a good college. Otherwise, make no sense to do your MBA. Okay, stats are with us to prove that yes, maximum number of people are IT engineers. So we have the numbers with us. Imagine a BCom grad here. Let's look at this is engineers, IT, electronics communication engineers. IT is 18%, 18 plus 33. If I combine these two branches, more than 50% of the batch is IT engineers and electronics engineer. बाकी गरीब लोग तो कहीं है नहीं. Mechanical, industrial, automobile is 30%. 83 हो गया. BCom BBA combined is 4%. This is the batch at I'm only 4%. So we have the numbers in favor of us. All we need to do is a hard work. Today I'm not talking about how to prepare, what is quant verbal logic, you know that part. I'm talking about the overall strategy for the engineers, IT engineers. Yeah, last part, can I leave my job to prepare for MBA? Answer is yes. For example, I'm just talked to a girl last week. She worked in TCS, and then along with the job, she have converted SCIT, SIMBI, which have an average salary of 6 to 7 lakh. Now she is confused whether to join or not to join, leaving TCS and joining a 6 lakh package, which means in-hand salary of 35 to 40,000. Makes sense or no? Now my question to her was, if you could not get time, why you got less marks? So I could not get time to study. See, if this is a vicious cycle, you can't join a Faltu college because you're not getting that much score. I took interviews of 2 guys in IIM Bangalore. Both of them are IT engineers. Both of them tried 3 times to crack CAT. But first 2 time pass. One of them just gave the mocks. One of them just bought the books. खाली books खोल के नहीं होने वाला यार. You need books, mocks, shortcut, the complete program. You need to be dedicated. Yeah. So in case you want to leave your job, May, June, July is the right time to quit, so that you get enough time to study at home and prepare. See, शादी लाइफ में 2 बार हो सकता है, MBA लाइफ में 1 ही बार करना है, तो make it count. Yeah. So if you have any more question, you can ask me in the comment box. I might make another video of all the comments if I get enough comments with all the questions. I would love to make another video. All right, so all the best. Thank you. In the description box, I've added another link, cetkking.com/start, which talks about how to start your preparation for CAT exam. I've given the numbers as well in case you want to join us for the books, mocks, shortcuts, any of the program. You can join us by calling the numbers given in the description box. All right. So IT engineers are maximum number of people. So we have the stats with us. We have the history with us. All I need from you is the hard work. And last pointer, IT engineers are anyway lazy, and IT engineers are the most laziest person. Yeah, I just gave this comment to one student. She was talking about IT engineering going for MBA. Is your brain will rot. I'm sorry to use that word, but yes, your brains will rot in IT industry in next 3 years unless you come out of it. Those who are happy in IT, if you're happy in the IT industry, you're not watching this video first of all. Yeah, because see, all the other industries, manufacturing, they're all 40 years old industries. So all the processes are set. IT industry is still in a nascent stage. No process yet. Boss को चाटोगे तो promotion होएगा. If you don't like your boss, you won't get promotion. So this is very common thing going on IT industry. This is what I hated IT industry for. Yeah. So let's come out of this. I think maximum number of IT engineers are doing their MBA, going for MBA, not because we have the brains, everyone have equal brains, but because of our passion to do something big, and because we hate our job. I think that's my reason for going for MBA. Yeah. So whatever your reason is going for MBA as being IT engineer, please do post in the comments. All right. All the best.